Buddy, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with a new tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how can you reset Excel settings to default. In order to do it so, you want to make sure to watch this video right till the end. So first of all, what you want to do is open up the search box, and on the search box, you want to type in Registry Editor. When you locate it, so you'll be able to see some sort of pop-up, so click the OK button. While you're on this page, you'll be able to see multiple options, but then you want to go to this H key current user. You want to click the arrow icon, and from here you want to go to software. As you go to software, or if you click on the arrow icon, then you could find a logo over here. So what next you want to do is you want to go ahead and locate Microsoft. And once again, you want to click on the arrow icon and it's going to expand it. So here what next you want to do is you want to go ahead and locate for. So when you locate Excel, what next you want to do is click on that and click on the default option. And what next you want to do is click on the three dot icon, after which what you have to do is click on delete, and it's gonna be deleted. Then you've successfully reset Excel settings to default. So that is how you do it. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.